Pyramid Head. Dave coming in with another Dead by Daylight character. So I'm on a landscape page. Pencil eraser for these, and hit pause if I go too fast. So different to the Silent Hill one, because I looked it up like Pyramid Head, and there's like ones with all these bolts and stuff on. But the Executioner version, I don't know. I'm not familiar with the game. But it's like a different sort of helmet. So, but let's go. So he's kind of like tilted. I found one with his sword, sort of holding his sword here. So, let's go. You might need a ruler for this one. So we'll go right up the top. Right, so we start up here and we'll go straight sort of down. I'm not like bank center of my page. I'm kind of down a little bit. Right, so there, right? And then, so we might need to raise some stuff, but we'll just get the general shape, right? So this comes down this way. Okay, and there's a line that goes like right down the middle. I could say all the way. Well, we'll do one, and if we need to raise any stuff, we can. Down here. Okay, so now, so we got like a few layers to this. Okay, so like say here, so it's like an outer edge. I'll bring this outer edge all the way down, right? So we'll go like down to there. Is that like the carvy bit? Right, so we're just, that's our general sort of shape, right? So then we gotta like change it up. So we've got like a corner here, right? And this corner sticks out here. And then down, and then we'll join these together. Right, like that. Okay, so then this goes over to here somewhere. So we'll go, I'm guessing now, but you gotta guess sometimes. So we'll go to here. Okay, so that's our general shape, right? So we have a kind of lip that sticks out on this side and another line that comes down in here. So, and there's another layer, right? So say coming across here, we'll just go across like that, right? And then this goes diagonal down to there. Oh, this has an edge line actually. Before we do that. There's an edge here and an edge here. Okay, and then this edge actually goes like the whole way nearly. And then this comes down to there. And then we have another line that goes the whole way up here. And I might have to raise some of the outside line because this kind of, yeah, you'll see what I mean. So this goes where? Say here. This goes up. Okay, and then in here, so this kind of goes up and just like steps in like this. It might be a bit skinnier actually, so I'll go just out to the corner there. Right, so this line we do not need, so I'll just get rid of it, right? Okay, so hopefully that makes a bit more sense. And then we'll add the next layer on this side. So we do another line going across this way. Like that, right? And then inside there's like these boxes and some like pieces of metal that like stick off, right? So like inside this one. So there's like an inside line. And it gets wider as it goes down. So it comes from like the top and then gets kind of wider down to there. And then it goes back up this way. And then back up to the top on this side. Right, and then there's like a piece of metal that like comes across inside here. And then something else that comes across the outside, like hooks down the back, like a curved piece. So it goes over that line, so you erase that. This is all like texture on it and stuff. And then we do like a box inside here as well, right? So this will come across there, and then we'll go up. Down the other side. Now, so textures and dents and all sorts of stuff, right? So like all these sort of like cracks and stuff in it, dirt, like full on scratches like taken out of it on the side here. As much of this as you want, really. Okay, I'll just tidy up maybe this line a little bit. All right, so just go over my outside edge lines a little bit more, just to darken them up. And he's got like another piece of his helmet then underneath this part of the helmet, right? And it's kind of curved. So we get the edges, the corners first, right? So it comes down like that, right? And then the other corner is here. And then there's another corner up here. So you got to join these together. So this one is joined with a curved line. So let's see. Sorry now, just need to brighten up my image a bit, it's really dark. Okay. Right, so how, okay, so we're just gonna go curve it up and then down to this corner like that. And then the top of it sort of curves up underneath it and comes down the other side there. And this side then is straight. There. There. And then goes into the back. And then cracks. Like so. Right, so his body and his vest and his arms and all this kind of stuff. So he's one hand out, one hand holding the sword, right? So the side of his body is like here. And then it goes down that way. He's kind of leaning back, right? So the vest then goes around here, down like that. And you'll have some like faux lines for ribs and let's say the center line for the chest to be here. There's belt buckles and things here. Okay, I'll do those belt buckles now. I might as well. I need a different image to see them. So like strapped across here. And they come to these triangles. I can only see really one or two, another one just here. And we can see like the little buckle on them. And then they'll have like an edge. And then this is like wrapped around. And again, this has all like blood splatter and dirt and stuff. Okay, so leaning that way. And then, so one arm sticking out this way, shoulder here, right? So shoulder comes down like that, and his hand is like sticking out here as well. So then we got like a tricep going down that way, and his bicep on the other side, just like going there. You could see like so the shoulder muscle will go, let's pretend we know anatomy. We'll go like there and then up that way. You can see like the inside of the bicep or the chest just going there. Might be a vein. And then the hand sticks up here, right? So we can just see like the thumb and the bottom of the hand. So you got this W shape for the bottom of the hand. It's always a good place to start. W. Right? And the thumb sticks out this way. It goes around here. The thumb bumps around then for his index finger. So that's gloves, right? But we'll go around then. But the next one is ring finger then. It's all out, spread out fingers. And then his little finger. Coming back into the hand here. This is all like stitching or glove lines coming down. And some like hand lines here. Like a stitching line coming down the thumb. We can see some of his forearm, I think, just like here. Sort of foreshortened. Like that, and then some more hand lines and stuff. Like so, and then just like tidy up your lines a little bit if you want. Okay, I might just thicken up some of the pyramid headlines as well. Just making them a bit thicker. Okay, now, so just the hand that's holding the sword. So we can just see like bicep coming out here, right? And then forearm. I think he's got a glove on, yeah. So glove is like here. And forearm comes down. So like elbow somewhere here. Forearm line. And then his hand. So this is like a glove. This has got like some bumpy lines. And it's holding a sword, right? So it comes up to the thumb first. Thumb comes around, like so. Index finger comes out, and then we see like all the knuckles at the back, 4 of them. They come down like steps, or like a mountain range sort of on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then this little finger, ring finger, middle finger, and then just what we can see of his index, not much. And just maybe like some stitching lines for the gloves on the side. Coming down the thumb here as well. This kind of thing. So then that sword, just it's like it's got a square top, right? And it's kind of got dents and stuff. It's not like straight or anything. So you could do chunks taken out of it and all that. It's rusty. So it kind of comes down like so, and then it goes out, down, and then it has another section that sticks out a bit further, down. So lots of like scratches. It's kind of like his helmet, you know, it's real textured. There's an oval here. And then his hand, of course, the rest of his hand goes in behind here. Right, and we'll just thicken up our edge. Right, but that's it. Hope it's helpful. That's how to draw Pyramid Head, the Executioner, from Dead by Daylight. Hope it's helpful, Dave. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the request. Thanks for the support, direct support on Patreon. Anyone else interested, head on over if you can afford it. Thanks for watching. Bye.